My dignity's back. We've compared gambling and insurance before. I fold. Rats. But there's an aspect to insurance that's kind of like free stuff, and whenever you spot that, it's worth looking into. It happened when I was looking for auto insurance. I stumbled across some fine print about the medical payments portion of the policy, and it said it would cover you if you were involved in an accident, even as a pedestrian. Then I remembered reading a long time ago about how some uninsured bodily injury motorist policy thingies uninsured bodily motorist. Then I remembered reading a long time ago about how some uninsured motorist bodily injury policies apply to you even if you're a pedestrian. And I thought, I ride my bike all over. So does it cover me while I'm riding my bike? My insurance covers me. I can jump out in front of cars. And the answer is one pair. Read 'em and weep. The real answer is yes, maybe, depending on your policy and your company and your state and the country you live in. Hey, I'm sorry, I can only hold your hand so long. I mean, eventually, you have to do some research too. Seriously, it's like one phone call, and it's probably toll-free. Now, there may be a few of you out there who are scratching your head saying, what's it gonna cover? Normally, uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist insurance is for your car. What? You're gonna like file a claim for your bike or your shoes? Sure, why not? Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. I'm gonna guess if you're riding a bike or on foot and you get tangled up in a car, it's likely gonna be an injury accident. These shoes are ruined! And where did my legs go? A royal flush. Whoosh. For starters, as a cyclist or a pedestrian, uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist coverage are gonna help you cover your medical bills. Hence the reason you're getting uninsured motorist bodily injury insurance. After all, if Johnny's cruising around in his 72 Pinto without insurance, it's probably because he can't afford it. I don't even know if they made a 72 Pinto. So when he plows into you, you can take him to court to pay your medical bills, but the $59.67 his car and comic book collection are worth wouldn't even pay for an ER nurse to take your temperature. So, you really ought to probably have some insurance for that. I know it's a gamble, but these are your shoes we're talking about. With the number of uninsured drivers out there, uninsured you know what I mean. Uninsured motorist bodily injury insurance. We couldn't make that more complicated, could we? Anyway, it not only applies to you and your passengers, but it covers all the people who live in your same household. The same household as the policyholder. And it covers on your bike and on foot and in your car. Triple insurance, you only pay once, that's free stuff. No, it's not really free. I mean, that $22 premium is probably a ripoff anyway, but you're covered. Now you can send your kids everywhere on their bikes. Yeah, and if someone goes GTA all over your 4-year-old, you can at least get the medical costs covered. My bike, it's broken.